Done, exported, uploaded. If you've been following the channel for the last few months, you'll know it's been an absolute non-stop grind. Now I love what I do, but if you're not careful, the hustle takes over every waking moment. You look up and weeks have passed. So I made a firm decision. I closed the editing software, I signed out of the channel, and for the next 3 nights, I'm taking my son to Benidorm. Passport?
Check.
Boarding pass?
Check.
How does it feel knowing that Dad cannot touch his phone for the next 3 days?
Honestly, it's a relief. It's that you're actually talking to us instead of scrolling on your phone, like analytics.
Ouch. Let's go. As soon as we stepped off that plane, the heat hit us. Goodbye England, hello Spain. Moment of truth. Let's see what we're working with. Not too shabby, if I do say so myself. 2 single beds, bathroom, quite nice, very clean. The all important bit, what's the view like? Not a bad view at all. This is our pool down here. Kind of similar to this one. But look at that view, man. Beautiful Benidorm. Benidorm gets a proper bad name for itself because you've got like all the party atmosphere and stuff. But when you look beyond all that, it's actually a gorgeous place. I've been here like 4 or 5 times now. I love it. Absolutely love it. Now it's really important that we stay hydrated. And we top up with the sun cream. Now let's hit the pool. What's the plan for the trip?
Okay, so today we've just chilled really. Like checked into a hotel, pool, you know. Tomorrow I think we're going to the beach, Old Town or something, whatever he wants to do. And then I think on day 3 we might be going to Terra.
Mitica. As a content creator, taking time off feels terrifying. The algorithm doesn't care about your personal life. And sometimes taking a break feels like walking away from the momentum. But the entire reason I work this hard in the first place is to build a life with the people I love. This trip isn't about stats, it's about father and son time. Now I'm going to be real with you. The first few hours of a holiday always feel weird when you work for yourself. Your brain starts twitching, you think, should I check my phone? Did that last post perform well? And then you look over, see your kid having the time of his life, and all that work stress just vanishes. That's the exact moment you realise how badly you needed to unplug. I've been to absolutely loads of different beaches around Europe. I think Benidorm's got to have one of the nicest beaches, you know. Lovely golden sands, beautiful sea water. Only problem is it's always packed. What's it like?
Nice.
Refreshing. €6 bloody for some ice cream. Worth every single penny. Most people associate Benidorm with the skyscrapers and the nightlife, but if you cross over into Old Town, the atmosphere completely shifts. The pace slows right down, the streets narrow into historic brick alleys, and it feels like stepping into authentic Spain. This might be my favourite part of the whole of Benidorm. The views from here are absolutely insane. Was it worth the walk?
I would say it is.
Considering we've literally come from right across the other end of that beach. Quite a trek.
It was not the best walk, to say the least.
Lazy bones.
Wait, 32 degrees, what do you expect us to do? I'm too hot.
Honest opinions on your holiday so far?
It's really nice, I think. Like, I'm enjoying it, you know. I am really hot. It's like the one bad thing about it.
Too hot. If you've been following the Danny Vlogs channel for a while, you'll know that I absolutely love doner kebabs. Let's give this a go. Now that hits the spot. Chili and garlic. Check this out. French fries as well. And are you even abroad unless you have a Fanta lemon? Fantastic. We've decided to crank up the energy today. We're at Terra, Mitica, and someone over here spent the entire taxi ride saying he's not scared of any rides.
I'm not scared of rides.
They've gone on every single one, even the big ones.
Yeah.
Cool. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the drop from up here looks a lot higher than it did from down there. It's our final evening in Benidorm, and as a content creator, I spend most of my life trying to frame reality for a camera, worrying about lighting, retention, and just trying to keep people entertained. But standing here tonight reminded me of something crucial. The best moments in life don't need a catchy thumbnail, a high energy edit, or crazy pacing. They just require you to show up, be present, and give your full attention to the people who matter most. And just like that, we are back from Benidorm. What a trip. some amazing memories made with my son Leo, and I just want to say a thank you to every single one of you who's been following me along on this journey. You are all absolute legends. I do not take one view for granted. You are all amazing. Thank you so much. Without you, I couldn't get away and do these trips and make these memories. So from the bottom of my heart, I love each and every one of you. So let me know in the comment section where you would like to see next time. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!